Hey family, so we're here in Key West. At our regular spot. We already got our bait. We already have breakfast. We got some Dunkin' Donuts. So we're about to get some ice. You know, we love to get our ice from here because it's cheap.
What's the ice again?
I think it's like $2 and you get 16 pounds. It's gonna come out now, guys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ice machine at work.
Something like Salmon. Oh, there it goes. That's my favorite part. All right, guys. So we didn't show you when we was getting breakfast or when we was driving down here because you guys have seen that already. So we're gonna get right to the point. We're getting our ice. We already have our bait, and now we're headed to our fishing spot. Hi, family. So I wanted to show you these big shrimps. Look at that. Do you remember last time we came fishing and I showed you the shrimps? They were so small. These ones are big. Big bait, big fish.
Are you afraid of them?
I am afraid of them. Hey family. So look at Richie. Look at Richie, guys. Look at him. Coming out of the bush. He went to use the bathroom. Shitty Richie. Shitty Richie. Tamia, she's here with us. We're going fishing.
Hello, family.
Hey!
Oh, we missed it.
Of course, Vincent, the TikTok star, said he don't want to be seen with us, so he bought his TikTok life. Whatever. So we about to unload everything, and then we have our bait right here. We have our cooler,
Chatty Shanice.
our chump bucket, and just our little knickknacks. It's a beautiful day at sea, guys. It's a beautiful day at sea. You guys have...
What do you from, man?
You feel something biting you, mama? When you feel it biting?
Stop.
She gotta get in the flow, Tom.
I'm gonna give you sweets. How you gonna feed the bit? You gonna feed the bit?
Yeah. But it's too small. You catch something, honey? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's a nice size grunt. Come on. Thanksgiving meal.
Ain't got no limit, family.
Oh, no limit, right, honey?
You alright? That's what I get from the camera. Wow. Pretty little fish.
It's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Right into our belly. Thank you, fish, for sacrificing yourself so we can eat tonight.
Right.
Another grunt. Come on. Next one, family. Ooh. Oh, you can't keep that one, right? I hope it doesn't die. We don't like when the fish dies if we can't keep it, you know? So we try to be as gentle as we can to get the hook out. It's like we're being surgeons. Yeah. So it survived because it swam away, so that's good. Squid? Wow. You do a good job at that. Wine it up, wine it up.
Snapper, baby.
Ooh, the snapper dapper. Wow, that's a good size, honey.
10. I think it's over 10 already, so I don't got to make it.
Hold on, my camera wobbling, guys. Hold on.
Don't grab the camera right now.
Whoa, that's a good size.
Snapper, dapper.
Snapper dapper.
That's what we come here for.
Is that a that's not a
Mangrove.
mutton? That's a mangrove?
Yeah.
Yes, baby.
That's what we came here for.
That's all. Richie's been talking about snappers since we got here. I want to catch a snapper. I want to catch a snapper.
Came here for snapper, dapper.
All right, guys. Wish us some luck. Hopefully, there's more in the water, right?
Yeah, we bring you with us. We don't get no fish.
All right, family. So far, this is what we caught. Okay. These are all the chump buckets. Oh, you have 2 chump buckets, baby? Jesus, you wasn't playing today. So far, there's some more underneath the ice. We just starting, guys. We just starting. Family, I caught this fish. It's a parrotfish. Unfortunately, we cannot keep this fish, so we gotta throw him back. Woo! Yeah, man, he's a fighter. We're trying to throw you back, homie. So we're going to our next spot. We'll see you guys when we get there. All right, family, so we stopped at KFC to eat, and we see a rooster from yard. These things wake us up every morning in Jamaica. Right, honey?
Yeah. Rooster, cock, fowl, whatever you want to call it.
Rooster, cock, fowl.
So
So we're there at KFC and Taco Bell. Get something to eat. Finally reached. It's a long walk. Remember I showed you guys this before? Whew. Not easy, especially when you have a whole bunch of stuff. Look how cool the water is. Look at that. The walk was long, Mama? Yeah, it was long. Blockers who were in our spot, but it's okay, we're gonna still catch fish. Oh, what you got? Yes, yes, that's a good boy. Look at that, guys. That's definitely a turd.
Swallow that.
This is our spot, guys. Not that kind of spot. Guys,
Yeah.
Richie caught another one. Literally 5 minutes after catching the other one.
These are school
What are you doing over there?
School masters and these are V10, so you know this way.
That's a fat one.
It's a fat mama jam.
Yes. Yo.
You with us with the last
Spot family. I don't know what the man is over there.
You leaving it on? Alright.
What is it? Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes. Guys, don't feel to me, man. We get excited when we catch fish. We get excited when we catch fish, family. That's a big one, Tom. Yeah, man.
That's what we like. When we drop, we want to wind them up. That's what we like.
How you gonna catch the biggest fish of the day, girl? Look at that, guys. Tamia caught this by herself.
Be like 4 families.
Yes. Good job, mama. Let me get your fish bait. Look what Tamia caught, guys. By herself. That's a beast.
Shit it.
That's a beast. Honey, what size is this?
So bad, but
Thank you so much for your sacrifice. Woo! Okay, family, so we're done. We have caught a lot of fish.
Swim around.
Swim around.
Yeah.
I caught a lot.
You did catch
You
a
caught
lot.
the biggest one. You caught the biggest one. You learn fast.
We will see you guys next time when we do a mukbang, when we eat these fishes or swim around.
AKA swim around.
All right, family, it's late at night, so we just got back, and this is the end results. This is all the fish that we caught today, aka swim around. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Not too bad. But it's all good.
Yep.
All good in the neighborhood, son.
Have a great Thanksgiving, guys.